Hello. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna watch Ashish Chanchalani's video. He got to meet the Marvel superstars. It's an interview sort of a thing, and a lot of you are requesting it. So let's go ahead and check out Ashish Chanchalani meets Marvel Universe team.
मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ लास्ट 3 डेज मेरी लाइफ के, मेरी और इसकी भी, हमारी लाइफ के सबसे मेमोरेबल दिन रहने वाले। ये सारी जिंदगी हमको याद रहेगा। एंड मैं आपको बताऊंगा अभी कि हमारे साथ लास्ट 3 दिन में क्या हुआ, क्योंकि इसमें इन्वॉल्व है एवेंजर्स इन्फिनिटी वॉर। फर्स्ट डे तो हमको फुटेज दिखाया, सेकेंड डे पे था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के पहले मैंने ये टाइम पास किया। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, हम एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ के बाजू में आए हैं। ये है इन्फिनिटी गॉन्टलेट, और आप देख सकते हैं कि थेनोस भाई का हाथ कितना बड़ा है। थेनोस भाई का हाथ इसलिए इतना बड़ा है क्योंकि उन्हें कभी साथ नहीं मिला, तो उन्होंने पत्थर जमा करके पत्थरों के रंगों में अपनी खुशी ढूंढ ली। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है। मैं आपको मेन स्टोरी बाद में बताऊंगा। मुझे ज्यादा खुला नहीं छोड़ा गया था बाकी एक्टर्स के बाजू में, नहीं तो मैं पता नहीं क्या कर देता था।
अच्छा
अभी मैं
किया।
आपको बताने वाला हूँ
पोस्टर को जिस तरह किस किया इसने।
कैरेक्टर्स है। ये हमारी विधवा दीदी ब्लैक विडो, ये हमारे अफ्रीकन बाहुबली ब्लैक
बहुत
पैंथर, अरे हल्क भाईजान, इनको गुस्सा इतना आता है क्या बोलूं। ये गमोरा, पुदीन हरा, रॉकेट मेरा फेवरेट है। इसको चूहा, पांडा, कुत्ता, पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला गया है, लेकिन ये
यार।
मेरे को एक बार मैसेज आया था, भाई वो कुत्ता जबरदस्त था गार्डियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सी में। मतलब कौन कुत्ता भाई? क्रिस भाई साहब, क्रिस प्रैट हमारे हीरो। पहले अब मेरे जितने होते थे, अभी मेरे आधे हो गए हैं। अरे थॉर भाईजान है, थॉर भाईजान काणे हो गए थॉर रैग्नारॉक में, और मेरे को बहुत दुख है उनके लिए। एक आंख से ऐसा अजीब लगता है, 3D पिक्चर नहीं देख पा रहे वो। विजन बाबू तो पक्का मरेंगे, ये तो लिख के देता हूँ मैं। ये गया थेनोस भाई के हाथ में गया। ये है वॉर मशीन, बस यही है। इसके अलावा इसका पिक्चर में ज्यादा कुछ स्टोरी
जो बात है, बहुत जबरदस्ती घुसाया हुआ बंदे ने।
जिसके लिए पिक्चर देख रहा हूँ वो है स्कारलेट विच। बड़ी प्यारी है, शक्ल देखो।
बड़ी प्यारी है।
इनसे तो मेरे को प्यार है।
नहीं,
कैप्टन अमेरिका मेरे दिल में है और हमेशा रहेगा। और जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कैप्टन अमेरिका मरेगा, मैंने उनको मार दिया है ऑलरेडी। रॉबर्ट भाईजान लिविंग लेजेंड है, एंड कह रहे कि अभी आगे आयरन मैन नहीं रहेंगे। गलत हो जाएगा मेरे हिसाब से। इनको 100 साल और आयरन मैन प्ले करना चाहिए। दैट इज डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज। डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज जादू, टंटर, तोने मोने के तांत्रिक है, बेसिकली सॉर्सरर सुप्रीम।
अच्छा समझा रहा है बिल्कुल। ही नोज मार्वल मेरे ख्याल से।
बर्थडे वाले मैजिशियन नहीं, ऐसा बनी नहीं निकालते हैं कैट से, बट अच्छे है। और ये है बकी भाईजान। बकी भाईजान बड़े बुलक्कड़ है, एंड इनका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है 6-7 वर्ड बोलो तो। पर अच्छे बाल अच्छे लगते हैं मेरे को एकदम, मतलब पतंजलि शैम्पू यूज करते हैं मेरे को लगता है। ये है वोंग।
So let me make this clear. मैं मार्वल यूनिवर्स का इतना बड़ा फैन नहीं हूँ, मतलब फैन तो हूँ, आई लाइक हिम, बट मैंने कोई हार्ड कोर याद नहीं करके बैठा हूँ मैं चीज़ें। मुझे स्पाइडरमैन बहुत पसंद था, और स्पाइडरमैन बिलोंग्स टू द मार्वल यूनिवर्स, तो वो वही सेम तरह की उनकी सोच है जो मुझे पसंद है। सो आई लाइक मार्वल, बट आई एम नॉट अ लाइक अ गीक फैन। आई डोंट गीक आउट ऑन मार्वल, बट ही लुक्स लाइक ही नोज व्हाट ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट। पता नहीं क्यों मुझे फील आ रहा है कि इसको मार्वल के बारे में पता है, एंड ही इज लाइक अ जेन्युइन, लाइक हार्डकोर फैंस जो होते हैं ना, जिन्होंने स्टडी किया हुआ होता है पूरा कि कौन क्या है, कितना कितना क्या, हर चीज़ के बारे में। सो लाइक ही इज इन्वेस्टेड हिज टाइम इन इट, आई फील लाइक।
लोग बोलते हैं कि जब मैं डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज की तरह ड्रेसअप होऊंगा तो इसकी तरह लगूंगा, जो कि बहुत बड़ा इंसल्ट है मेरे लिए। पर ठीक है। अब आते हैं डे 3 पे। डे 3 तीनों दिन में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट डे था, क्योंकि इससे बड़ा दिन नहीं हो सकता था। क्योंकि डे 3 को मुझे मौका मिला इंटरव्यू करने का एवेंजर्स इन्फिनिटी वॉर के डायरेक्टर जो रूसो के साथ। आई डोंट थिंक मैं इससे स्वीट आदमी से अपनी लाइफ में मिला हूंगा।
So, sir, I wanted to ask you. I've seen Arrested Development. I've seen
Yes.
Community.
Yeah.
It has been crazy how both of you went from directing that
Yep.
to Winter Soldier, then
जो
to Infinity
बात
War. How has
है।
the journey been?
This guy, like, Arrested Development is just the opposite of Infinity War. Community is the opposite of Infinity War. One of those shows I really love, and one of the other shows the other one I really hate. बहुत ज़बरदस्ती का शो था, but anyway, we'll talk about that some other day. But yeah, this is a really good question. How does he get from here to there?
What was it?
It's been a really interesting journey. I mean, we got discovered when we were very young by a filmmaker named Steven Soderbergh. And Steven's entire career has been filled with
He's a legend, man.
very unpredictable choices, and we learned a lot from him. He was a mentor of ours. So
One of the best
we tried to
directors
fill
of
our
this
career
era.
with very unpredictable choices as well. And I think that's really just about challenging yourself as a filmmaker to do something different every time out.
Did I mention I'm a huge fan of Marvel Cinematic Universe?
I can tell, bro.
I have some questions for you guys, and I'm seeing if you know everything about the MCU.
Oh, jeez.
Shall I go?
All right, yeah, let's try it.
Let's try this. The first one is for you, Trent. What was the Wi-Fi password at Kamartaj?
Who's gonna know that, bro?
Password.
I don't think दोनों में से किसी को याद होगा.
It was really, oh my god. We're horrible.
It's one of those pop culture jokes.
It is. It's
So you
really.
can wink me. I'll help you. I love you.
I should know this,
I'll
dude.
give it's Shambhala. Shambhala. It's
That was the
Shambhala.
password. Ah.
Oh,
She had
so
no
you,
clue.
Joe, what was the time gap between the events of Avengers and Spider-Man Homecoming?
Oh, that's
This is a controversy.
And it was quite controversial.
अक्सर बहुत लोगों ने इस पे ट्विटर पे बहुत लोगों ने शोर मचाया था
years.
कि ये क्या मजाक है. सही बात है, मैंने भी मूवी देखी थी. I was like, what the heck?
Theo Broussard in Civil War.
Theo
अच्छा.
Broussard in
Theo
Civil War.
Broussard, yeah.
I didn't know that.
In Civil War.
In Civil War.
Theo
That's
Broussard.
the movie.
Am I Dr. Theo Broussard?
She has no idea. She's just a suit.
Was that my
You are-
name in the film? Yeah, Dr. Broussard.
Joe
I
played.
forgot I had a first name.
I know, it was like.
I never
oh.
really get first names other than Doctor. Yeah.
It was so funny seeing you in the bathtub and that was that.
Sorry, in the
I was so
tub.
geeked out. Oh, my friends are sitting and I'm like, that is Joe, that is Joe. I like, see that's Joe.
That is a geek out
Okay,
moment.
another one is for Train. Which was the first movie to talk or even reference about the Infinity Stones?
Avengers?
That's a good one.
No. About any of the Infinity Stones?
I'll tell you, all six were mentioned.
All
all
six
six
Guardians में होगी maybe.
As in they told that there
Guardians
are
हो सकती है,
six.
Thor हो सकती है.
Which I'm giving you a hint.
Spider-Man तो no way. Iron Man भी नहीं हो सकती.
That was a hint?
Doctor Strange
Well,
अभी आई है.
they're not mentioned in
Well,
Iron
'cause there's
Man.
mention
They're
in
mentioned in First
Captain
Avenger.
My bet
Yeah,
is
the first
Right?
Avenger.
Is it Thor the Dark World where they talk about all
Yes,
this?
Yeah.
it is Thor the Dark.
okay. I was
It
close.
is Thor the Dark. Okay, the last question is.
मुझे लगा Avengers में. Avengers बोल रहा हूँ. Guardians में.
Everyone.
Who dies?
Am I giving a spoiler, Joe?
That's it. It's all over after that. We canceled Avengers 4. We're too tired. We didn't want to make another movie. It seemed too hard to tell another story. So we just blew the whole thing up.
Thank you, Trey.
Thank you. We love you as
very
well.
much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank
Very
you.
nice
That
to
was a
meet
lot of
you.
fun.
Film.
That was a good interview. Really well done. Really well done, man. I really enjoyed this. हालांकि 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे मुश्किल से, but he had this vibe कि everybody was so comfortable. I love the way he's interviewing them. बहुत आला. I was not expecting this. I'm pleasantly shocked.
फिर मैंने इंटरव्यू किया कैरन जिलिन को. वो नेबुला प्ले करती है गार्डियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सी में, एंड वो इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है ना.
Hello, Karen. How are you?
I am good.
And you look very gorgeous, first of all.
Oh, thank you very much.
ये shameless
Love
भी थी ना
this
मेरे ख्याल से.
introduction.
And you're so tall and you're so.
I'm a giant.
You're not a giant, but you look
I
so
am.
lovely. Nebula. I just said Nebula to you.
ठीक
I
है.
know, and I just fully answered to it. Which one of us is weirder?
What was your favorite moment?
Wow, she's actually pretty nice. She's not उसको नीचे आने नहीं दे रही ना. वो अपने आप को बार-बार नीचे रख रही है कि नहीं तुम बेहतर हो मुझसे यार, टेंशन नहीं लो. बहुत आला यार. What a genuine person. Like Nebula is cool.
Nebula moment, I would ask, from volume 1 or volume 2, anyone.
When Nebula talks to her sister Gamora about how she always just wanted a sister, and you sort of catch a glimpse of her inner torment and a piece of her soul, because usually it's very covered up with her sort of cool, sadistic
Yeah.
exterior.
But that was
So to
also
catch a
one of the
glimpse
biggest
that
lines
was
she
really
got.
cool.
I cannot believe the fact that you are Nebula, because Nebula is so mean.
She's very
and so
mean.
and rude. Especially in one of the scenes where she's first Thanos is introduced in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1. So how is it difficult to play such an opposite role to what you are? Like, I find you very sweet. Like,
Oh, well, thanks. I don't know. I find it. The thing I love about acting is like just like losing myself and like just getting out of my own personality and skin for a while. And so I don't know, I just find it like quite easy to just kind of slip into completely different characters after I've done all of the
Must be
hard
fun.
work and the research and made all the choices.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your lovely time.
Nice
It
to
was
meet
lovely
you.
talking to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
इसके बाद आते हैं हमारे मेन इंटरव्यू पे, वो है डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज बेनेडिक्ट
Nice.
कम्बरबैच के साथ.
Benedict Cumberbatch, man, that's cool. तालियां.
Same here. Is it we are rolling?
Yeah, you're running.
Wow. How is anybody not freaking out over here? I'm in
They're
the
bored
same.
shitless of me now. They've seen me for like 2 days straight. They've seen me
I am freaking
eating
out.
food and
I'm freaking out right now because I'm
अच्छा,
sharing the
ठीक
same
है.
room with Benedict Cumberbatch. Benedict, I come from India. I come from
know.
a place called Ulhasnagar, and can you just pinch me? I cannot believe it right now.
Come on, bro.
you're right, mate. I'm here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
मैं इस पे बहुत ऑब्जेक्ट करता, बट आई नो इस वीडियो से मुझे अंदाजा हो रहा है ही इज एक्चुअली अ सुपर गीकी फैन, तो आई गिव हिम दैट, ही इसका पूरा हक बनता है इस तरह फ्रीक आउट करने का. यू नो व्हेन यू सी समबडी दैट यू लाइक आइडियलाइज एंड यू लव सो मच सिंस योर चाइल्डहुड, अगर आपको वो चीज़ नज़र आ जाए या उसकी एक रियलिटी नज़र आ जाए, एक वर्जन नज़र आ जाए, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव एवरी राइट टू बी be giddy about it and be freaky about it. So I give him that. I'm not gonna talk shit about the fact कि एक गोरा है बस यार, it's not a big deal. It's fine.
Benedict Cumberbatch just pinched me. I'm worth millions.
It's
I'm
news.
worth millions.
It's just save that arm, everyone.
Benedict, I've been following you since so many movies. Tinker Tailor.
That's not to say I'm not a fan of Benedict Cumberbatch. He's one of the best actors of this generation, of this era. इसने भी Tinker Tailor की mention की और Tinker Tailor की mention की. मैंने देखी है Tinker Tailor Soldier Spy. It's a really good movie. He has been a great actor, since the start of his career. Not to say anything bad about Benedict Cumberbatch. Of course, I would freak out too if I see him over there. Lekin I'm sure Ashish के लिए it's a really big deal because it's also Doctor Strange. So yeah.
I watched War Horse, and I've been a huge fan. And I'm also a big fan of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And when I heard the
Good.
news that you were casted as Doctor Strange, I was just jumping around
Oh,
everywhere.
great.
And I was
Were you familiar with the character? Did you know the character
Yes,
before?
yes, I did.
Great.
I'm very
Test
familiar
कर रहा है
with-
आशीष
I
को.
love Steve Ditko. I love the way he has illustrated everything.
Me too.
So how was your experience, joining the Marvel family?
Amazing, and it's just expanded obviously with becoming part of the Avengers film, so extraordinary. And that initial film was it was really, really hard work, but such satisfying hard work. And it goes on, and to be on set for the first day of shooting this with Robert Downey Jr. as Iron Man, I was having the same reaction as you were. I didn't ask him to pinch me, but
See?
he made me feel at home. He made me feel, we're in the same game. We're trying to make these things work and funny and do it in a way that's delightful and hopefully, fun enough for a crew to not get bored and have a good time making.
Benedict, I can watch you just talking right there with that voice in the infinite time loop.
Well, that's a good job. You're into
In the infinite time loop,
You
बहुत
just
आला.
mentioned Robert Downey Jr.
Good pun.
Have you talked to him that who's the better Sherlock?
Great question.
Yeah, we
great
had a
question.
conversation about it in very much in that.
मैं अभी से बता देता हूँ वैसे. It's obviously Benedict Cumberbatch. Like he has nailed that character. Robert Downey अच्छा किया है, but he's like Robert Downey is just Robert Downey Jr. इसने बहुत अच्छा Sherlock किया है. इसका Sherlock is way better than Robert Downey Jr.'s.
In that vein, when we met a long time ago at not that long, but some time ago at a Producers Guild Awards,
So last year's
I was, so we had a conversation then, which was delightful.
I'm so sorry, I'm just geeking out right now. It's Benedict Cumberbatch. It's not normal. Everyone is sitting here right now.
Why aren't you all throwing rose petals in my general direction? What is going on here? It's crazy.
And Benedict, lastly, I would ask you to just please visit India.
शुक्र से
India
बड़ा
has a
hug me.
lot of fans of you.
I'd love that.
They would flip out.
They'd flip out.
They would, Benedict, if you go ahead. Please
So how would it be for me going on holiday in there? Would it be just too crazy?
Yes, please do visit. Please do come to Goa.
Okay.
North India. North India is more wintry, but I would personally love you to come to India. Everyone would love you to come.
Well, I've been and I've had a great time, and I will go again in the future.
Benedict, remember me. I'm the biggest fan of you. My name is Ashish.
Ashish. Okay, so when
my
I get to Delhi Airport, I'll go. Where the hell's Ashish?
Yeah.
He said he'd be here. Okay.
Thank you very much.
She's so nice
Thank
to
you
meet
very
you.
much.
Thank you
I
very much.
love you very much, man.
बहुत आला यार. I love this his honest geeky moment जो उसने express किया अपने आप को. It takes courage, man. It takes courage to come out of your shell and just express your feelings जब moment होता है करने का. So he did it at the right moment. Where he should have. And it was brilliant यार. बहुत आला. This interview with Benedict Cumberbatch of Ashish Chanchalani, I actually really enjoyed this one.
मुझे इतना बोलते हैं ना अनरियल फील हो रहा था कि मैं बेनेडिक्ट कम्बरबैच को इंटरव्यू करके आया हूँ. इसके बाद फाइनली शाम को एक बहुत बड़ा रेड कारपेट फैन इवेंट हुआ.
Who's ready for an amazing event tonight?
एंड देन मुझे मौका मिला वापस इंटरव्यू करने का जो रुस्सो को. एंड मैंने जो को बोला,
Tell me, when are you bringing the Avengers cast to India?
We would love to bring the Avengers
I
back.
can guarantee you triple the amount of fans here.
जो बात है.
I mean,
Promise me, Joe, you're
जो
bringing
बात
the
है.
cast of Avengers to India.
I'm gonna fight next year to see if we can get a stopover in India with Avengers 4.
This is from your biggest fans in the world.
Yeah,
Is he
we
drunk?
love
Thank you, Joe. I love you very much.
Thank
God
you
bless
very
you.
much. I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
अभी आए रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर भाई साहब.
Yeah, there you go.
सख्त लौंडो के भी सख्त लौंडे है वो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर से बात करने को नहीं मिला.
I bet Robert Downey Jr. when he wakes up, he still acts like there's somebody watching him, and he goes like, I might go brush my teeth. Like he's just such a celebrity, you know. अब से reinvent हुआ इसका पूरा image. He has become such a celebrity.
लेकिन मेरे पास आप लोगों के लिए एक सरप्राइज है. सेकेंड डे पे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे कुछ बहुत अमेजिंग हुआ.
The gentleman over there.
Hello, hi Robert, hi Benedict. I'm from India.
From India.
Can we all just appreciate the fact that we just not have Iron Man and Doctor Strange? We have two Sherlock Holmes sitting together. Can we just? My question is for Robert.
I'm always reminded.
I'm sure you guys must be tired of these fan demands from you asking if there's a Sherlock joke in the movie.
There was, I hope there is.
There's enough.
Yes.
We take all jokes. You got any good jokes, send them a joke. We'll put them in some movie somewhere.
And from the entire fans from the world. And I'm not speaking from the media perspective. I'm a huge fan of you guys.
Yeah.
Following since like childhood. I love Marvel. Marvel has been my life. I just want to ask, are you guys missing Hawkeye? From the trailer. Where is
यार
Joe?
इसके सवाल ऐसे हैं जो स्पॉयलर्स की बाउंड्री पे घूम रहे हैं. Look at the reaction.
There's so many characters.
सब जो की तरफ देख रहे हैं भाई, तुम संभालो ये.
And we were halfway through shooting, and I think you said, "Where's Brenner?" And we went, "Oh my God!" I think we forgot.
Get on that, dude.
Macaulay Culkin.
No, listen. We did not forget the twice nominated
Good.
Jeremy Renner.
Good.
Last question for Robert. Robert, which is your favorite MCU movie apart from the Iron Man movies? Which is the most you've watched on repeat?
Sherlock. I don't. You know the funny thing, honestly, is as they come out, it's not like I don't.
First of all, I don't think he has watched any Marvel movie on repeat. देखी होंगी शायद, कोई एक दो देख ली होंगी, या he's a big celebrity busy guy. Actors don't watch movies. Actors अगर movies देखने लग जाएंगे तो acting कब करेंगे? We need to understand that as fans. हम एक्टर्स से सवाल पूछ लेते हैं, मूवी टूर टाइम पे उनको होमवर्क कराया गया होता है कि भाई ये मूवी में होगा, इस तरह के सवाल आएंगे, these are the answers. So they have certain answers already memorized. But actors don't watch movies like fans do. हम fans हैं, हमारे पास टाइम होता है मूवीज देखने का. मूवीज देखने में टाइम लगता है यार, 3-4 घंटे अलग करने पड़ते हैं इंसान को जिंदगी में से. They don't have that time. They don't have the luxury of being able to watch the movies that they make. Actors have no clue movies में क्या हो रहा है. अब इसने ये सवाल पूछा कि how what's the Marvel movie that you've watched on repeat? मेरे पास पैसे होंगे तो मैं पैसे लगा दूंगा इस बात पे कि इसने रिपीट पे कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी होगी आज तक. मार्वल फिल्म तो नहीं देखी होगी एटलीस्ट, I can guarantee.
I don't feel that I have all that much to do.
Now he's into this long answer,
These
vague answer.
adventures,
He obviously
but I
isn't
just
really
appreciate aspects of them so much. I think I think Doctor Strange changed. I think without Doctor Strange, we wouldn't be able to have Infinity War, most definitely.
Okay.
And I think that the Guardians was just such a dark horse, and so.
Oh, these two are spoilers,
But I
sort of,
think
right?
recently, I thought that Thor Ragnarok was so mind-blowing. This Taika Waititi
See
guy
that?
to me is just he's an assassin. He's so brilliant. So and then by the time I'm done seeing this will probably be my favorite.
देखा आपने कैसा सीधा वेग जवाब दिया. जितनी भी याद आ रही थी मूवीज उन सबके नाम ले दिए कि किसी एक को पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट आखिर में बोल दिया डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज के बगैर इन्फिनिटी वॉर नहीं हो सकती. ओके, बट देन थोर में ये था और गार्डियंस ने फिर ऐसा रोल किया, डार्क हॉर्स थे. सो ही ऑफ कोर्स ही हैजंट वॉच्ड अ मार्वल मूवी ऑन रिपीट. हम देखते हैं, ये लोग नहीं देखते हैं.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you, everyone. India loves you very much.
So yes guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this video. हमने बहुत मेहनत की, ये 3 दिन हमारे लिए बहुत मेहनती थे लेकिन वर्थ इट थे. एंड मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. मेरे लिए देखो आप, मैं रूम्स में वीडियो बना के आज RDJ, बेनेडिक्ट कम्बरबैच, डायरेक्टर सबसे मिल के आ रहा हूँ. सो ये बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है मेरे लिए, आप फैंस के लिए भी, जादू के लिए भी,
इसका नाम
सब
जादू
इंडियंस
है.
के लिए भी. एंड आई एम श्योर आपको भी इंटरव्यूज अच्छे लगे होंगे. सो यस गाइस, प्लीज़ ये वीडियो शेयर करना. और या फाइनली डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू वॉच एवेंजर्स इन्फिनिटी वॉर ऑन April 27th. बड़े से बड़े स्क्रीन में देखना.
क्या कर रहा है पीछे?
3D.
I'm sorry guys, that was funny. ठीक है, मैं मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहा हूँ, it was just genuinely funny. वो पीछे बस यूँ था, वो जैसे वो जॉर्डन की एन पील का स्केच है ना, प्रेसिडेंट एंड हिज ट्रांसलेटर. प्रेसिडेंट कुछ बोलता है, ट्रांसलेटर उसको फिर चेंज करेगा, लेकिन वो कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था, वो बस पीछे कैचअप कर रहा था कि हाँ एंड देन दिस, हाँ 3D.
In 3D.
That was so awkward, yeah. Anyway, going back to what Ashish did. Wow, that was so good, yeah. I have to say, number one thing, Ashish represented the country really well. Ashish ने India को बड़ा अच्छा represent किया. You know, he had some freak out moments, but we give him that leeway because he's a fan. He's a total, hardcore fan. तो इतना तो हक बनता है उसका यार, बिल्कुल कि he gets to geek out, freak out. And I really appreciate जिसने भी इसको ये hook up किया है with these interviews, they chose the right guy. होता क्या है, they pick up some MTV famous चरिया host and they go like, जाओ आप जाके इंटरव्यू कर लो. वो पहुंच जाते हैं इंटरव्यू करने, उनको कद्दू पता होता नहीं है, वो रेगुलर सवाल पूछ लेते हैं. इसने कितने अच्छे फैंस वाले सवाल पूछे. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में लड़के ने हिम्मत करके ऐसे सवाल पूछे जिसमें स्पॉयलर्स हो सकते थे, बट ही स्टिल आस्क्ड देम. दैट्स अ ट्रू फैन, that's a honest person. So yeah, I loved this interview by Ashish Chanchlani. Really good job, man. Really well done. Makes you feel proud just to be of the same background. You know what I mean? Okay, he's representing us at the end of the day, us folks, as brownie folks. So that's nice. Very well conducted. Just played on the borderlines of being a fan and an interviewer. So that also makes the interviewee a little comfortable. वो बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी फील करते हैं, वो बहुत खुल के बात करते हैं. आप देखें, एक भी सेलिब्रिटी अपटाइट नहीं था, और जो 1-on-1 इंटरव्यूज थे उसमें किसी ने स्क्रिप्टेड ऐसे जवाब नहीं दिए सिवाय बेनेडिक्ट के. बट बेनेडिक्ट वाज आल्सो प्रीटी कैंडिड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. सो यू सी दैट, यू डोंट सी दैट इन मोस्ट अदर इंटरव्यूज. वहाँ पे ये होता है कि सवाल पता होते हैं और जवाब बहुत रिपीटेड होते हैं या स्क्रिप्टेड होते हैं. This was pretty real. This was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for requesting this, guys. Let me know which video you guys want me to react to next. Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Take really good care of yourself. Shab khair.